welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to add a downloadable file on your Mailchimp campaign. So in case you want to send maybe an ebook each and every month end, or each and every 15 days, whatever, or every day you have some things to teach people, or a PDF, any PDF file or a Word document file, in the file looking forward to send it to your clients or your audience, whatever you may call them. So that's the thing we're going to learn today. So we're going to use Mailchimp as we said, and we're going to achieve that just with simple clicks. There's no coding involved, since a lot of people are not much interested in coding, because coding takes a lot of time and it's not something which someone can enjoy if he's not a coder. Well, let's go to our first login. So you can go to google.com, then when you're there, then type in Mailchimp login. Okay, then you're gonna see the first one. You click on that. When you're here, it's gonna say login. You click on login, right, and it's gonna give you the username and password. Type in that, then you say login, and once you're in there, then you're gonna see all of these and say start automated, get shopper back to their cards, all that thing. You can I think you know what's going on in here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on create. Once you create, then you say create customer journey, create email template, then multiple whatever design, whatever landing page. You can click that mail, whatever. Okay, you saw where we clicked. When you're here, so you can select any of these. Okay, once you've done that, you can select you have to create this something like a campaign. You can say edit this and say showcase product, never miss out on our self coaching PDF. Okay, then miss out, say we fine. That's the heading here. You can click there, and once you're here, you can select any picture you want to select, content style, setting, whatever. Replace, you can replace this if you want to. Add file, let's see, how can we add file? My files, no files, logo, Instagram, whatever, create TV to whatever, upload. Yes, we can upload any image we want to. Go to uploads, then we see, I want to check any image I want. Yes, that is good, super good. I'm going to put it there. It's okay. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Let's do that. Then after here, you can see that there's things like this. You can see features to start collection. You can see these are the best in the market. Okay, you can just try to do some simple things there and click say don't forget to get to order your own set. Okay, you do simple things like I wanna fix something here small. Okay, put that there, then we can say they are all made in the USA and designed in Japan. Okay, simple things. Wow. So once you're done with this, then you click here. This is the button we want to use. We say edit this button. How do we edit that? We click, double click. So on that button we can say click to download. Download. Okay, then I say a link. Instead of a link, then you choose a file. I want to get a file. Which file I'm gonna get? Please get a file. get a file. I'm gonna upload a file. I'm looking for this PDF, or I can look for this PDF. Then I say okay, I'm attaching that PDF. Wow, that's super fine. And also you can put a link to the PDF. Maybe it's gonna be, now this one we uploaded it straight to our thing, our Mailchimp stuff. But if you don't like that, what you can do, you can get a link from your website which goes straight to download that file. Then what you do there, you can say web address. So that web address, or anchor link web address, so it means that address for here we can say save, so we're done with that. But anyway, if you don't want this, if that file is gonna keep on changing, like maybe every month you'll create a new one, but then what you don't want to do is you don't want to, what you don't want to come to Mailchimp every time and drop in one. So you wanna, what you do there, okay, let me delete this. We don't need that section. I said delete that because we wanted something really small and cheaper. So now what you do, you double click there, so you can delete that. And if you don't want to do it that way, so you go to your URL, then you say web address, then you get that exact address for, maybe I would say Google, maybe say Google boy.co.zf/WP content, then /manual.pdf. You get me? So URL whatever field, so you can get something like this in your thing. So after that you can see that okay, this way I saved my PDF. Then you save it, right? So simply means when somebody click here, it's gonna start downloading that image, right? So I'm gonna go back here and click there. So that's one of the thing. Then email address, you can do that. Anchor link, you can do that. So I think that's all we needed. You can play around with the style and make it, maybe you change instead of white to make it red if you want to. Please make it red here. Okay, you can see red means that text for that. Then you can make it bold, style, whatever if you want to. Then padding, it all depends on you. You can make it 12 if you want to. And if you do that, you can see how it changes a bit by bit. Apply to all existing buttons, blocks and whatever. If you want to do that, you can as well do that. And you can also change your text style, whatever you want to do. So this is what you can see, the button. You can make it dark if you want to. Then you change the color, maybe want to make it that. You can see now it's black. After doing that, then you're good to go, guys. That's the way we do that. And please don't forget to subscribe. Here you can play with this and put your logo here. If you want to, you can go and click here and replace that logo with anything you want, maybe with the speakers or whatever you want. Anything you want to do, that could be your logo if you want to. If you don't want something like that, you can also go somewhere else, then you get those things. Yes guys, that's the way you create that. And once you're done, then your campaign is gonna be done. You save it, then you're good to go. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share on Facebook, don't forget to share on Twitter, on LinkedIn and all other platforms on social media. So that's the way you do what they call add a downloadable link or a downloadable PDF file on your mail list. So you know, some people they write books each and every day, each and every month. So each and every month, and maybe the mail list is going to be sending that campaign and it's going to be having a new book. So if you have time to log in every day and do the same thing, it's fine. But if you want to make it auto, you could also add that to your website. Then you just get a link to that PDF. Then what you do each and every month, you go to your website and only change PDF. So you dump in the new one, you delete the old one. That's all. You don't have to log into Mailchimp. So you keep on growing your mailing list and all that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. This is Azania Tutorials. So if we made any mistake, please try to correct us, but we hope all goes well for everybody. So whenever you didn't understand, please send a comment into the comment box below. We can be quickly respond to your needs. Thanks, and see you in the next video.